Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Let us have a glance at the headlines first. Hurricane Fiona strengthens into the Category 4 storm, heads towards Bermuda. Caribbean tropical storm likely to form and could be Gulf hurricane threat. Monsoon withdrawal in India delayed due to the low pressure system in the rainfall. Hurricane Fiona strengthens into Category 4 storm, heads toward Bermuda. Hurricane Fiona strengthened into a Category 4 storm Wednesday after devastating Puerto Rico, then lashing the Dominican Republic and the Turks and Caicos Islands. It was forecast to squeeze past Bermuda Thursday before hitting easternmost Canada by late Friday. The US National Hurricane Center said late Wednesday night that Fiona had maximum sustained winds of 130 miles per hour. It was centered about 550 miles southwest of Bermuda, heading north at 10 miles per hour. Hurricane force winds extended 70 miles from the center of the storm, with tropical force winds extending outwards 205 miles. The center of the Fiona is expected to pass just west of the Bermuda Thursday night, the NHC said, and will approach Canada's Atlantic provinces Friday. It will move into the Gulf of St. Lawrence Saturday. The US State Department had issued an advisory telling the US citizens to reconsider travel to Bermuda. The storm was not forecasted to weaken until Friday. Bermuda could see 2 to 4 inches of the rain from Fiona, the NHC said. When Fiona reaches Canada, it could bring Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, and western Newfoundland anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of the rain, while eastern Quebec could see 2 to 5 inches. The storm has been blamed for directly causing at least 4 deaths in its march through the Caribbean. More than 500,000 of the people in Puerto Rico remained without water services on Wednesday, and many spent hours in lines to fill jugs from the water trucks, while others scooped water from the mountain runoff. Caribbean tropical storm likely to form and could be Gulf hurricane threat. A tropical storm is likely to form in the Caribbean Sea and may become a hurricane threat for the western US. This latest system is in addition to the Hurricane Fiona in the western Atlantic and Tropical Storm Gaston in the central Atlantic. This tropical disturbance, called Invest 98L, is a cluster of thunderstorms a few hundred miles east of the Windward Islands. Some forecast models suggest a tropical depression or storm could form as soon as the next few days as it tracks into the eastern Caribbean Sea. However, Invest 98L will have to battle some wind shear generated by the Hurricane Fiona as well as some dry air. That could delay its tropical development for a short time. Regardless of whether or not happens, heavy rain and gusty winds are the main threats in the westward islands areas near the Venezuela coast, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao from this disturbance through Friday. Some flash flooding and landslides are also possible, particularly in the high terrains. Monsoon withdrawal in India delayed due to the low pressure system rainfall. After monsoon retreated from the West Rajasthan and Kutch in India on Tuesday, further withdrawal has been delayed due to the rainfall associated with the low pressure system, the India Meteorological Department said. A low pressure area lies over the northeast Madhya Pradesh and adjoining South Uttar Pradesh. It is very likely to move west-northwestwards during the next 2 days. A trough is running from the northwest Bay of Bengal to North Punjab across the cyclonic circulation associated with the low pressure area over the northeast Madhya Pradesh and adjoining South Uttar Pradesh in lower tropospheric levels. A western disturbance is affecting the western Himalayan region. In addition, there is high moisture feed from the Arabian Sea over the northwest India in the lower tropospheric levels and likely to continue during the next 2 days. Under the influence of these systems, widespread light to moderate rainfall with isolated heavy rain and thunderstorm or lightning is very likely over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada today and Madhya Pradesh on Friday and Saturday. Isolated very heavy rainfall is also likely over the West Madhya Pradesh on Thursday. Under the influence of low pressure over the northwest area adjoining the West Central Bay of Bengal, Odisha is also expected to receive heavy rainfall for the next 24 hours in 7 districts along with the thunderstorms and lightning, the India Meteorological Department informed on Wednesday. The rainfall is also expected to reduce after 24 hours. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.